Arduino pin circuitry under the hood. How does the input and output signals work? Each port pin consists of 3 register bits VDXN, port XN, and pin XN. Here we will demonstrate an output signal to an LED, an input signal generated by the push of a button by the user. To set the pin X to input, we must write 0 on DDR X register. Clock it, flip-flop outputs low, value 0, turn off the buffer, and now suppose the user presses the button. The signal travels across the bus, goes through synchronizer until it reaches the data bus. You can read the direction by the buffer DDRX. You can read PXN directed by pin register or by the register itself. There you have it. The pin is now input. To set the pin X to output, we must write 1 on VDRX register. Clocks it, flip-flop goes high, 1 forces the buffer to enable, and now suppose the user sends a logical 1. Clocks it, the signal travels across the bus through the buffer and light the LED connected to the pin. You can read the direction by the buffer DDRX. You can read PXN directed by pin register or by the register itself. And there you have it. The pin is now output. Pin input, port control pull-ups. If what we want is to enable pull-up register, first the mode must be input, so DDRX equal 0. Clocks it, you have 0 here and 1 here. Then let's disable the PUD by writing 0 to its register. This register is set by the hardware on power on reset. You have 1 here. And finally, write logical 1 to port X. Clocks it. And now you have 1 here. 1 here. 0 here. Now pull-up register are enabled. Congratulations. There you have it. Here is the summary. If 0, then input. If 1, then output. Again, if 0, it input and if one it output. There you have it. Here is the source from the datasheet, and here is the Washington University Lecture 6 source, page 46-49. There you have it. Bye for now.